Good morning. Oh man, I am sore. I fell skiing yesterday, so my shoulder is killing me. Camera's not working. Come on. Oh no, camera's not working, guys. What's going on? Come on, I don't have time for this. I want to prep for trading. Oh, I don't think I could get my camera to work today, guys. Oh man, what a start to the week. Can't get the camera to work. All right, well, no camera today, guys. Get ready to get asked a million times about why the camera's not working. No clue. I don't want to stress about it, or I've done everything just in the 5 minutes. Unplugged everything. Capture card, everything was unplugged. Not sure. I gotta get too much going on. I got too much going on here to focus on that, so I'm not gonna worry about it. What did I spend in prop firms in January? Probably like $2,000 because of the Tradeify straight to funded account. Maybe less, because I don't know. Most of my accounts I have are from 2024. But I am about to activate 2 more. Bad hair day, maybe. Maybe it's just a sign for me not to be on camera today. Yes, it said improper risk management. Yeah, it's a good return. I mean, I don't look at it that way because I don't really care too much about how much I spend as long as I don't spend a lot more than what I make. It's just a, business expense. I wish my expenses were like that in real business. Operating at 10% in real business is impossible. I'm about to take out 14,000 today, and I didn't spend a dime. Oh, actually, never mind. I'm activating 2 accounts right now, so I'll spend $200 right now in February. But I'm about to take out 14,000 today. So how do I calculate that, right? The money's from January. It's not really from February. So that's why I don't compare month to month how much I've spent. Wow, you went down 770 and got denied? That's it? I went down like 1,200. But I could have went over almost 1,000. Because my accounts were not brand new. They were already over 2,500. I'm activating 2 Apex accounts here. Gotta get my trade syncer. Now I'm like all clustered because now I need to do my although I don't even know if I want to trade the Tradeovate accounts. I mean Tradeify accounts with the opening range trade today. Opening range trade is just been horrible. And today we have a huge ATR. It's going to be a violent day. The market has chosen violence on the Monday. So we'll have to play it safe. I have to make sure I don't trade my payout accounts today, just in case we get slippage or something. All right, so I'm gonna do copy trading. All right. 274, 269, 275. So I'm not even trading that many accounts right now. But why does this market look flat when we have 24 ATR? How big is this candle? All right, 50-point candles pre-market. Great. It's going to be a good time, guys. It's going to be a good time. I'm just waiting for 2 Apex accounts to activate really quick. My camera's not working today for some odd reason. I'm not sure why. Yeah, today might be a good day to pass some evals. All right, the accounts are activated. Add them to the copy trader. I'm waiting for my should be trading 1, 2. Okay, 298. I'm just getting my copy trader ready. So it's like, it takes a lot of time to get it ready when you are not trading most of your accounts. Because out of all these accounts, I'm only gonna be trading 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm not touching any of these. I'm taking the payout from them today. Let me get that on screen. There we go. Yeah, Matthew, sometimes that's the best way to go about it. You waste less time. You can focus on the fundeds. Now, do I want to copy trade into Tradeify? I will have a call with TradeSync today. I will be having a call with them. No, I can't even get my Tradeify accounts to work. It's gonna take too long. See, when you switch copy trading, it messes everything up. Like when I changed the leader account, no longer I could copy trade my Tradeivate accounts easily. I gotta log in, log out. I don't have the time because I was playing with the camera too long. So now I can't even trade my Tradeivate accounts. All right, so I'm gonna trade them separately afterwards. Plus, whatever. The opening range trade has been so bad that it's probably better off. We're gonna do just one contract. Since we are very volatile today, I'm gonna do 40 ticks profit, and I will do 60 ticks stop loss. It's gonna be a super wide entry. I'm afraid that the market's gonna just freeze at the open. Like lag. You know, you can't add Tradeify to QUANTOWER, but you could copy trade from QUANTOWER to Tradeify. I found a way to do that. I'm gonna make a video on that soon. I'm just gonna have a call with them, see if they could get us a discount or something, because it's expensive. It's $50 a month. A month, not even like, you know, lifetime. Yeah, see, like it just freezes. Why does it freeze? Tradeivate doesn't freeze. I went way too wide on this short. I'm on a 5-minute chart. I'm an idiot, guys. I'm a total idiot. That would have been a winning opening rate trade. Unfortunately, I was on the 5-minute chart. I didn't notice. Hopefully, pulls through. Now my target is way too big for what it needs to be. So I lost because of my own fault here. That has nothing to do with the opening range trade. So opening range trade worked today. I was just on the wrong time frame. I thought the range was way bigger. So that's a mental issue, a mental error. So we're gonna just keep trading these accounts and get them back to green. This opening range trade would have easily won if I just stuck to what I usually do. It's just, again, I was on the 5-minute chart. I thought I was on the 1 minute. Not worried. These accounts are the extra accounts. We'll get them back to green in just a little bit. Opening range trade finally worked. Not for me, but it worked. That's more important. I needed to get back to green on the opening range trades. How the hell was I on the 5-minute chart? Because I was trading a 5-minute chart on Friday at the end of the day. And that just ruined everything for me today. So it's how it works. Okay. It's how the markets get you if you're not focused. Which the reason I'm not focused today is because of the camera. I got on earlier to focus, and guess what? The camera made me lose so much time. Let's get a bounce here, maybe. Come on, baby. Come on, don't do this to me. Back to green here. I'll keep trading this though. Top 122 now. I think I would have won on the opening range trade here if I didn't set which I've never done 40 ticks before. Actually, no, I wouldn't have. Okay. I wouldn't gotten 30 ticks. Okay. Again, if you're just tuning in, my camera is just not working today. I decided to take a day off. No idea why. I've reset everything and it's not working. There's one thing I could try if I had more time, and that is to just run it through USB-C instead of HDMI. And I could have get it to work, but then I got to reset the settings and change the settings, and I don't want to do that because then tomorrow I'm going to have to redo it all over again. So I'd rather just stream for a little bit. It's not going to be a long stream. So I'll just fix it for tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, we're still chopping now. No direction yet. I feel like the market will choose direction today. If you're in the biotech stock, that's most likely gonna crash. As fast as it goes up, it's probably gonna crash as fast as, even faster actually. So just be careful. Don't be greedy. That's the stocks I like to trade. Not always though. Sometimes they go up and up. So do whatever you want, but what's the price of the stock? Yeah, $1.74. Yep, exactly the stocks I'm gonna be shorting. If I get approved tonight for the payout from Apex, I'll be requesting 14,000. I will be opening my, not opening, I'll be refunding my stock account this week with 45,000. Trader is lagging with orders or with what? No. We're gonna trade some Trader accounts here as well. I don't know which way to. And we do have this huge sell-off, right? A huge gap down. Like, I don't think it wants to close the gap, but who knows? Over the next couple days, maybe. This is like my dream market. I hate going short. So for me, this is better. It's just, you can't chase. That's the problem. Maybe I should be trading micros to the long side and building a position. But Apex will deny that probably. Like, yeah, the market just went from a normal market to insanely volatile market. So I scaled down in size, but no, Apex doesn't like that. Wow. It's like 50 points right there. Oh, big rejection. So again, I'm trying to set up a call with the copy trader company called TradeSyncer. They wanted to do at 10 a.m. But I told them that's early, so I just asked them if they could do 11 to But why is my camera not working? Like, people hate not having a camera. I don't think it's my capture card. Let me see something, guys. Find out if it's the capture card. All right, I just tried it on the camera and it's a capture card. So basically, if I just restart the computer, it will come back. Should I do that? Nah, takes too long. Takes too long to open everything back up. But it just means the capture card is I have I have a capture card that's built into my PC. So I can't unplug it and replug it. What a slippage. Bastards. The slippage is real. Nah, it's not going. Ain't going. The market is going to chop, I guess, for the first 15 minutes. Not really. Last 10 minutes. It's going up, but it's grinding. Does it want to sell off now? Looks like it. Right back down we go, huh? Well, I'm glad I just took that stop there. These are entries that I hate, but I only hate them in hindsight. Because if I took it here, it's the same thing, but here it would have worked. But here it looks like, why would I buy up there, you know? Do have a little trap here on this low. See if I could scalp 10 points. Nope. All right, today is not gonna be easy. Trading these volatile markets is very difficult because you're in a trade for a second or two and you get either profit or taken out, and it doesn't let you breathe at all. In the you need to use micros, but I don't feel like using micros. Let's see, can we? 50-minute opening range trade has not triggered yet. I have to go for a bigger target on the next trade. It's holding, but I don't trust it. See, it's still holding up. Can it break? I'm not sure if it's gonna bounce here and go lower, or is it just gonna go lower? I don't think it's gonna go up. I think it's still a short. But who knows? Maybe it just wants to trap shorts. But this was too deep of a pullback. I feel like we need to break even lower to go long. Yeah, there's the bounce. Kind of what I wanted. Okay, we do have a trap. We did make a new low here, so, and a new high, so basically a trap. Very nice. So this was like the inverse trap that I take. Since we made a new low here. No, so basically, where's my pen? So we gotta pull back. Nope. Pull back, new low. So this previous high becomes trap, and we go lower. There it goes. No, Richard, you concentrate on 250s, brother. That's your target, not mine. Is there a minimum flip amount? No. There's Apex has $50 minimum days to count as a trading day for 5 days, and then 3 days could be just flips. So I'm gonna, once the market dies down during lunch hour, I'm gonna flip a micro. All right, we got the 15-minute break. What do you guys think? We're gonna break the 15 or we're gonna bounce off of it? Right now it's bouncing, but these candles are massive. Oh, we're bouncing. We got numbers in 5 minutes. Good to know. Monday, 10 a.m. Oh, yeah, we got manufacturing numbers, guys. So let's just wait for that. Let's just wait for the numbers to come out. Employment, orders, and prices. Oh, we got PMI. So this is definitely gonna jolt the market a little bit. What a bounce. We're approaching Richard's 250s. Beautiful. Similar trap setup over 240s, but there's just less trend. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the news first and then trade more. That was a nice short there, Richard. Hope you got that. All right. PMI. That was kind of... It's really struggling to break the 170s. I want to long this, but I just don't know the safe spot to do it in. Need some confirmation first. I hope it just falls apart so I don't have any temptation to even long this. breaks 162, I think it's gonna definitely drop. Let's get some momentum to the downside here. Yeah, I know. Camera's not working. Couldn't get the camera to work today. Would have to wow, just stopped out instantly, huh? Just can't get anything going today. Jeez. I had to bottom tick me in. It's just not dropping or going up in this, you know, in the momentum manner. It's just too much sideways action within the candle. So you get, you know, with 33-point candles, you get wicked out of trades, and I want to go long, but I need some kind of confirmation. And I feel like I'm just going to get in again, and it's not going to... I need, like... If this holds, it's going to look better. I wanted to pick direction. Right now, it's still... There we go. Come on. That's it. It's much better. Whatever that was, I don't know. I don't know what that was, but that was a good trade. Yeah, Sean, I know. But problem is, I don't want to go to micros and then have Apex tell me, oh, you didn't trade the same size. Wow. Very indecisive market. I'll try another long. Come on. Get it. Let's get it. Let's get a follow through here. There we go. Come on. Definitely need to break even stop now, but hopefully that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Unbelievable, guys. Fuck. Oh, can't get 2 freaking wins in a row. That was so frustrating. Fuck, $300 of drawdown lost just because of that. Why couldn't I just get a freaking... How many more ticks did I need? Unbelievable, guys. Could have been done on the day for that trade. I gotta come down. Should have taken some profit on that trade. I was sure it's gonna hit it though. Not sure where my next trade will be, but I'm gonna take a step back. Market's still dropping for sure. It's still not a long. But it's hard to short this when it's not really dropping. It's just popping up and then going a little bit lower, right? But you gotta short the spikes, and that's kind of dangerous because you don't know when the top is gonna be. We'll see what happens. Just really bummed out that I just lost $300 with the drawdown. So It's like taking a loss. I broke even on the trade, but I lost $300 with the drawdown. It's painful. Because the next trade needs to be a winner. It's quite annoying that I can't get 2 wins in a row like this, you know? That's all I need. After starting the day red, I just need 2 green trades in a row. And off to new lows we go. On a bigger time frame, it's not looking good for longs. Maybe at 21,100. We do have a low from January 27th there, but no damage. Don't say yet. I could call it a day. I've tried a lot of trades already. I just can't get much going. Just in case it pops there really quick. I guess no bounce yet. Let's go, Sergio. Very nice. Finally, we're getting some decent trend. I'm not gonna short this. I just can't. Nice, Sergio. Good luck. That's a crazy risk reward. Oh, wow. Wow. Holy shit. Sergio, you're a magician. What the frick is going on? I don't know what's going on, but I'm jumping in. It won't even let me jump in, actually. I just tried. Nothing happened. Yeah, did I just win on the trade? I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm in the trade, and it doesn't even tell me I'm in the trade. I just see my P&L moving. See? I'm in the trade somehow, but I just don't. I don't know what's going on, but something's going on. Great. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm into. Okay. Okay. All right. Great. That was fun. Just lost. I didn't even know how or why or when. Great. QUANTOWER is awesome. Okay. Think. Okay, I think I'm done for the day. Sergio, that was the craziest thing I've ever seen. That had to be some kind of tweet, some kind of news. I don't know what it was, but that was not a natural move. But Sergio literally said he's long right here. Risking this much up to 300. And I went long and I don't know what happened. I didn't know I was in the trade. If I never have a stop, I would be up a lot more now. Apparently Trump is talking to the Mexican president. Oh, it's good news, guys. We're gonna keep longing this. We're going to the moon now. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. All right. Time to buy and trade Evade accounts. Yeah, Sergio. Sergio, you retired yet? Are you a billionaire now? I think Sergio is, his name is Powell, not Sergio Powell Solis. He moves the market, guys. We found him. Delayed by 1 month. All right, well, 1 month is chase time. Oh. I'm happy with this green. 821. It's very solid. I'm definitely done in the day for that. And then I'm going to flip the Apex accounts. Hopefully, I don't know how much drawdown I have left on these accounts. No, I'm out of this. All right. I don't even know how much drawdown I have left on this Tradeify account. Tradeify is just cursed for me so far. It's not been going well. It's expensive for the funded. I had one funded. Okay, this account. I don't know which accounts I even trade. Tradeify needs to figure out how to make the accounts easier to understand. I have no idea which account I could trade, which account I can't trade. I know I have 2 accounts. I just don't know which one. Which one I have no idea, guys. I have no clue which account is good. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Go, go, go. I'm chasing this, but oh man, Tradeify. Brett, if you're listening, you are cursed on me for now. Not doing well on Tradeify, guys. Tradeify is donezo. I'm just kidding. I'm not cursed. I'm just chasing. Because I got some things to take care of. Unfortunately, got a text from my parents about my dog, and yeah, today might be the day, but try not let it affect me Too much. I don't know which account I'm even trading, so I don't know how much I can make on this account. I don't know if this is the straight to funded or if this is the eval funded account. Because the eval funded accounts on Tradeify, it's 35% consistency. And on the straight to funded is 20%. Okay, that makes sense. So F is funded. I know it's a funded account. I just don't know if it's funded with a eval or if it's funded with the straight to funded. Straight fund. YFG. YSF. I don't know the differences. I could check dashboard, yeah, but it's just kind of weird that they do it that way. Okay, so this account FTDYF05. This is the growth funded. So this is not straight to funded. This is the growth. So I blew the straight to funded. Can we get a little bit more? Come on. Let's go to the moon. Come on. A little bit over this high, I would sell because then the consistency rule is going to get in the way. But it's not going to break, is it? I might want to trap below 72 first. Come on. Pop. Can we get a pop? You know you want to pop. Come on, Brett. Make Alpine happy. Oh, you bastards. Really? It's just like Whatever, I'll take that profit. 444. I'll rebuy here if it goes down low. Oh my God, now it goes. That was the craziest bounce. Rhythmic lagged so bad on that. Even the payouts on the growth account are faster, Andreas. You need $2,100 to take out $1,500 versus on straight to funding you need to make $3,000. And now it goes the move I wanted. I just wanted to get back to 50,000 on this account. I'm still down. Guys, check this out. I don't even see this. So if you guys remember how when you went to ATF.com, it said like the company failed to make payments and it's under investigation, blah, blah, blah. Like smart people knew that daytraders.com owned ATF.com. Right. So we just put it together very easily. Like no one would put it out there on a domain that, you know, whatever is happening, right? The domain would just be for sale. But now we see this. Pretty smart move on their part. They should have done this from the beginning. They should just have ATF direct them to daytraders.com. That would have been the smarter move. Yes, you could do 1 day pass evals on Fidus. You just gotta flip them for 3 days. Todd, you watching? So I got my friend to trade futures again. He used to trade stocks with me, and then we met in the chat room, and then I got him to trade futures. Finally, and he was trading ES the whole time. I asked him today if he graduated to NQ. He just texted me, how the fuck are you trading NQ? It's too violent for him. Anything good about FITUS? The only thing that's good about FITUS is that it's the end of day drawdown, and there's no safety net required, Alexi. No safety net. So make 2,600 and you get a payout. You don't need to make 4,100 like on Bullnox. So on Bullnox, to take out $1,500, you got to make 4,100, and on FITUS to take out $1,600 because they take 20%, you need to make 2,600. So it's not bad. I'm gonna actually do more accounts with them. Oh, what a day. What a day. The opening range trade would have worked, but I was on a 5-minute chart, so it's really bad. Bad play on my part. My camera's not working. I think my capture card needs to be reset. I am thinking about ordering a new PC as well with a 5090 graphics card. Or 5080 maybe. I don't know if I need 5090. You could have 10 funded on FITUS, but there's two types of accounts. You can have a wow. You can have a hold on. Try to scalp a little bit here. I think that's it. 2,100. I would probably take out the profit, to be honest. 2,100 times 0.35, 735 you can make without having to worry about consistency. So I might have to call it. Yeah, shorts are dead. Shorts, this came out of nowhere, bro. Like, man, this was beautiful. And we had someone that was like saying they got long at like 125, 126, maybe 130, whatever it was, risking 110s to get back to 305. And it happened within 2 minutes. It was crazy. I lost here because I didn't know what the I got into trades and it wasn't working. That's why one account's down. One account's up only 382. Should I size up on evals and trade normally? It depends. I would size up for sure. Depends what your normal is. Like, you don't want to take a month to pass an eval, or even 10 days. I think that's too long. It's too much of a waste of time. However, you also have to learn how to trade. So it depends on what stage you're in my opinion. Like, if you've never gotten a payout before, if you've never been funded before, then you should probably take your time with an eval. I personally, now this is not advice, this is what I do personally. I don't care about evals one bit, okay? So what happens is that I lose more evals than I should or that I need to, but at the same time, I'm able to get to payouts. So if I know I'm going to get payouts if I pass these evals, then I'm not afraid, to have a 50% win ratio on an eval, because extra $33 or extra $50 long term does not matter too much. I think I'm done though, guys. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore. I'm up 800 on my Apex accounts. I'm up 700 on the Tradeify account. I hit max loss on the other Tradeify account. And I just don't see what I'm going to trade unless I have some evals. Oh, yeah, we got some evals. Okay, let's do that. Uh, 30 to 40 points is not an easy trade. Getting 30 to 40 points every single day is very difficult without losing, in my opinion. And you don't need to make that much to get a payout. Yeah, 10 points is definitely manageable, but all depends on your losing. The payouts that you see me getting right now, so the 21,000 in January, and I'm going to request $14,000 more today. Those payouts are mostly from one trade a day. 3 contracts. And I go for like 7 to 8 points. That's all you need. It's crazy, but it's got to be consistent. And lately it has not been consistent. But in December and until January 20th, it was pretty consistent. How can I show the price line on Tradeovate? I don't know. I'm assuming here. Nope. Indicators. Nope. Chart settings. There we go. Current position. Grid. I don't like the grid. Or you could change the colors. What? Dark mode, dark. Light mode. What the hell is that? Wow, what a difference. So I have 2 small screens here that I'm looking at. There's 16-inch screens. And the resolution is set differently on both. One is like whatever resolution, I think 1080, and the other one's 1440. and I could fit, like this takes up half the screen, and then I move it over and it takes up like 1/4 of a screen. But the reason why I do it this way is because of streaming. It's easier to see on stream. Now let's see if we could do some evals on Apex. Have I ever used Bookmap? Not really. Not to trade. I've seen it, but I've never used it to actually execute trades. I've been funded 4 times with no payout, thinking about 1 trade a day. We talked about this, but I didn't read the first part. Being funded 4 times with no payout doesn't really mean much. That's, I think, normal. What is the size of your stop? So let's go to ticks. I do 50 tick stop for a 30 tick target for the most part. How much should I aim for daily to get a payout from Apex realistically? That's the problem. We can't look at it daily, because daily doesn't matter, right? It's average. You got to average in your losing days. In order to get payouts consistently, we have to accept red days, which is the hardest thing to do as traders, as human beings. Especially like when the accounts are seasoned. If it's a brand new account, you could be a little bit more aggressive, but like once you're like $2,000 in the account, then you gotta accept that red day. And if it goes down $500 or $1,000 in a day, sometimes it's better to just walk away, and it's very difficult to do. So as I'm saying this, I know that that is my most difficult thing to do as well. So realistically, to get a payout with Apex, you got to make $300 to $400 a day on average. And when you factor in your losing days, maybe like 200 to 300 average. So 300 to 400 average green day, hopefully in the 400s more often. But that's if you want to get a payout quickly. No one says you have to get a payout quickly. Right? You don't have to get a payout. The first payout is the most difficult. The first payout is the most difficult to obtain because you got to grow the account so much. But once you grow the account so much for the first payout, the second, the third payouts are much easier because you don't have to make as much. I'm about to request $2,000 for a payout, and I did not make $2,000 in this payout cycle. I made that money in the previous cycle. Well, I did get denied, so that kind of helped me grow the accounts. Because if I got approved, you know, the payout would have been taken out, and then I wouldn't have grown the accounts as much because I traded them normally when I got denied because things were going well. Right now, things are not going well, so I'm not trading them because I'm going to request the payout today. But like last time, I didn't flip the accounts at all. I just traded them the whole time. But let's say if I get denied this time, which I don't think I will, but if I did, I didn't do math on consistency. I don't really know how much I've made this payout window. And if I broke the consistency rule, then I don't know. I should keep a track of it, but not too concerned. If I would get denied for that, then I'll just trade these accounts normally. Does Apex still have the 30% rule? Yeah, now they have two 30% rules. But Apex is the last prop firm standing. Hold on 1 second. Apex is the last prop firm standing that's solid with 20 accounts, right? So I'm just going to go long here in eval, but I'll be right back. I'm going to go get another drink. Uh-oh. About to fail this eval because we are in chop. I wonder how long Apex will be able to keep doing 20 accounts. Yeah, me too. One thing I know they won't be able to keep doing is the $50 flips. People are going to play the game, run up the account, and then flip for $50 and get a payout. Like, you can't, that's not going to work long term. Oh man, I was so close to hitting target here. Uh, I trade on it personal. I never did an LC. I should, but I just never did. Oh man. Yeah, sorry guys, my camera's not working today. I didn't realize it till I got on stream and I couldn't get it to work. I know what the problem is, I think. I gotta restart the computer for it to be fixed. Really? That's how we're gonna play? Is this how you're gonna play the game today, Market? Is this how we're gonna play the game? Come on. Break it. I'm not muted. Was there news? Yeah, like non-official news. It's all tariffs. But yeah, I gotta go soon, guys. I think today I might have to put my I can't even talk about it. But yeah, my dog's not doing well. Oh, it's gonna suck. I don't know, Victor. I don't know. I don't know yet. I haven't seen her yet. She's at my parents' house. try to pass this eval or fail it, and then I'm gonna call it a stream, guys, because all right, guys, I'm gonna call it. I can't focus.